Hootsuite is a powerful social media management tool that allows businesses and individuals to manage, schedule, and analyze their social media presence across various platforms. Here's how to effectively use Hootsuite for social media management. Creating a Hootsuite account. Visit hootsuite.com and sign up for an account. Choose a plan based on your business needs. Connecting social media accounts. Once logged in, connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite. You can manage multiple accounts from one dashboard. Scheduling posts. Use the content calendar to plan and schedule posts in advance. Hootsuite allows you to create and customize posts, including images, videos, links, and text, and schedule them for specific times. Engaging with audiences. Monitor engagement on your posts by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Hootsuite's inbox feature consolidates all interactions in one place for easy management. Analytics and reporting. Track the performance of your social media campaigns using Hootsuite's analytics tools. Generate reports that provide insights into audience growth, engagement rates, and overall campaign effectiveness. Collaboration and approval workflow. Collaborate with team members by assigning tasks, approving content, and maintaining workflow standards for social media management. Listening and monitoring. Use Hootsuite to monitor conversations around your brand, competitors, and industry trends. It helps you stay informed and engage proactively with your audience. Social ads management. Hootsuite allows you to manage social media ads, including tracking performance and optimizing campaigns directly from the platform.